Hi, in this demonstration I'd just like to show you how Blockify command can save you an awful lot of time in BricsCAD Lite. In this presentation I've done a demo file here, and I've just done a desk. It could be an office layout with multiple instances of the same entity. To do this I've created a box. I've used the array command to create the group of boxes, and I've used copy and paste to place 3 additional instances of that array in there. I've also had to explode the arrays because I wanted 4 individual entities on the end here. So everything's good, nice and easy, until I find that I need to put a fillet on each of the corners on every single desk. This could take an awful lot of time. We could delete everything, start again, do another array, etc. But a quicker way to do this would be to use the Blockify command. So all I have to do is select Blockify, select an entity that I want to create as a block, right click and say OK, and then we use an insertion point on the corner, or on the midpoint there, and we're going to automatically find all the instances of that entity. So whatever shape or entity you're selecting, it'll select similar instances throughout the entire drawing. We can now replace all of those just by accepting the command there, and it's made 260 blocks in our drawing. To make a change now, what we're going to do is edit this block. So a simple double click, it's selected the block. Again, I use the auto name here, so you could rename this to whatever you wanted it to be. Click OK, and there's our block in our window. So we can see we're in the block editor, and we can save changes, discard changes, or edit the block. We're in the edit mode, so I'm just going to go to my 2D drafting, and I'm going to say I want to create a fillet, and I want to put it on that corner, that corner, that corner, and the last one on this corner. So that's made the change to our single block. What we can now do is go to our block editor, say we want to save the block, and it's now updated all of the entities in the drawing. Nice and simple and easy to do. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.